Welcome back to Random Thoughts Garage. Today we are working on a Kubota RTV 400. Doing a front axle shaft install. So get you guys in here and see what I'm doing. So as you can see, it has no axle shaft in it. Now, first thing you need to do is remove your pinion or your steering shaft. Now, that was not in there, it was not tight. Yours is probably not going to come out that easily. Then you want to get your lower ball joint, disconnect it. Same thing, this one was already loose. Alright, now the axles we're using, these are off of eBay. Now these are Cayman rugged terrain axles. I've got both the left and the right side. I want to say it was $200 for the set, so not a bad price. I've already put in the left side and had no fitment issues. Now as far as them holding up, I have no idea. But let's get it installed. Alright guys, so here's the axle shaft. You can see on this end it is threaded, this end is not. Now this end is splined and it's got a little circular clip right here. Now I like to put a little wheel bearing grease on the splines. You need to put this in, and then this circular clip right here will actually snap into place. Okay, so let's get that installed. Alright guys, so we got the axle in. So once you get the end snapped into the gear set, you will pull your strut assembly back, feed this end in, that, and then you'll raise the bottom ball joint up and put it back into the knuckle. And then tighten everything to specs. So give me just a minute and I'll actually give you the specs here and everything in just a second. Alright guys, so the torque on everything, your tie rod end castle nut here, that is going to be 37 foot-pounds. The ball joint right down here, that is going to be 35 to 41 foot-pounds, and your axle shaft retaining nut here on the end, barely see it, yeah, right there, so that is going to be 85.5 foot-pounds. So hope this helps someone out. Thanks again for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.